Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to select all photos in Google Photos, whether you want to delete them, download them, or move them to another folder. This is the easiest way to do it. Let's get started. First, open Google Photos. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. But for this tutorial, I'll explain both ways so you can follow along easily. Let's start with Google Photos on a computer. Go to photos.google.com and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once your photo library loads, hover your mouse over the first photo you want to select and click the check mark that appears in the top left corner of that image. Now here's the trick. After selecting that first image, scroll all the way down to the last photo in your library. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the last photo. Instantly, all the photos in between will be selected. This is the fastest way to select all your photos at once. You can then choose to download, move to an album, or delete them using the icons at the top right. If you're using a mobile phone, there's no Select All button, but you can still make it faster. Just tap and hold the first photo until it's selected. Then drag your finger down without lifting it to quickly highlight multiple photos in a row. You can keep scrolling until you've selected as many as you need. Unfortunately, Google Photos doesn't have a one-tap Select All option on mobile yet, but this trick helps you select hundreds of photos quickly. And that's it! You've just learned how to select all photos in Google Photos, both on desktop and on mobile. Super simple once you know the trick. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.